Is it possible to check who has visited your profile on Instagram? In today's video, we are going to find out exactly that. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram. And let me tell you right away that there is no possible way for you to check a particular person who has visited your profile. But what you can do is check the number of profile visits on your profile. And for that, you first need to change your account to professional account like this. And if you don't know how to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to head over to settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on accounts and controls, which will be right here. And once you do that, you can just switch your account type to personal or from personal to business or creator account. And once your account has been changed to a business account, you can head over to your professional dashboard. And here you'll be able to see all of your insights like your views, your interactions, your total followers, and then the contents you have shared. And here you can also see the number of profile visits. And if you tap on settings, you'll be able to customize it more. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.